Hello world, this is Random Fix, and when you go to buy a Mercedes Sprinter camper van like this, there's a pretty good chance that you have a rear AC system like that one right there in the back, that big grayish looking thing. So in this video today, I'm going to show you guys my solution to this on the inside. So fear not if you need to go ahead and customize. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So this behemoth right here is the rear AC, and this is the one that comes on the VS30 or 907 Sprinter that are made 2019 and newer. The older ones have these, sometimes they're in the middle, sometimes they're towards the back, depending on your configuration. So this AC system right here is freaking awesome. It'll cool off the whole van fast. And it's factory, and I did not want to make any modifications that can basically void the warranty. So I had decided to keep it. I was really nervous because the original vents went all the way down to where my fan is. So I was looking at this and I did not know how to make that modification. And since this is my first time making a camper van, I discovered some pretty cool things that I think can help you guys out. So let me go towards the front and we'll look at that particular front section. And in case you guys need to go ahead and modify it back a little bit more, I'll show you guys how to do that. Or if you want to go ahead and extend it out, you could also do that as well. All right, so we are in the front section here, and originally the vents came to right here, right where the fan is. So if I did not make that alteration, I could not put a fan in, and the fan is very important. So let's go ahead and look at this a little bit more in depth in case you need to go ahead and scale that back. So what I did do is I removed one of the pieces. Here's going to be the top section of it, and there's a lower section. These just basically pop right out. You just peel them back. I have a video on how to remove this on the headliner video. So there was originally a light and some vents that basically directed the air down onto the passengers. So what I did in my case right here is I went ahead and stopped at the second extension. So if you wanted to stop it right here and just use the crown from this area, you can. And it was really not a lot of work. I thought this was going to require some really crazy modification, but it didn't. And there was a little tiny gap that I had towards the front. So I just made this half moon right here, and that filled in the area nicely. And I want to make this video kind of quick. So if you guys are facing a similar issue, and depending on your build, you can go ahead and stop at the very first one, use the tip. You can go to the second one, and basically you could even cut it in half if you need to. Just cut a straight line and use this piece to go ahead and snap in together, and everything works well. You could tuck in the excess wire into the headliner. Do not cut it, just in case. And so far, I'm really happy with my decision of keeping the original AC unit in the back. And I decided to keep the headliner, if you guys have not already noticed. So with that piece missing, it's a lot shorter, and aesthetically, it still looks good. I'm going to show you guys how this looks from the top. So if you guys need to go ahead and make yours shorter, maybe here or right here, you can. And all you need to do is grab the very forward piece, make yourself a very straight line depending on where you want it, and go ahead and just snap it in to that piece. So that was very easy to do, and everything has worked out beautifully so far. I have been through 24 states and not one issue with the rear AC system. So in case you guys are struggling with this, I am here to help you guys out. Please leave your comments down below and check out the whole van playlist, because I cover everything from window covers to ladders to bathrooms, kitchen galleys, seats. I got you guys. Have a great day.